First of all, the issues should be on the development sector because the world is growing at a very fast pace. So we need to cope up with this and come up like in the same pace with the rest of the world. So we have seen the Make in India initiative of the Prime Minister, but till now we don't see any of the things in the ground really. We don't have any industries out here in Assam. So we want the industries to be there so the employment will be generated. Then we mostly the killing of the rhinos because those are the pride of Assam. People from across the world comes to see them. So another thing would be the Assam is very rich in this culture and this natural beauty, flora and fauna. So we are not saying anything from any political parties till now about promoting the tourism in a big way, which is a very important issue. Like we have tourists from different parts of the world coming in. So this also gives a limelight to you about your development and everything. So this is one. Another thing would be that to have good health facility here. Like we whenever see people suffering from any health issues, they go to Chennai, Delhi. So why not have good health facilities where people get employment, people get good treatment at a much lesser rate, and also with the education sector, I would believe that we're having people, after students after passing the class 12, they go to Delhi University, they go to Bangalore. So have good universities, good colleges here. So the students stay here, study here, work here, and develop the state. Saying that whoever goes to Lanka becomes a Ravan.
Okay.
This time we want somebody going to Lanka not becoming a Ravan. Anybody who's willing to that would be my preference. Till now, to be very specific, whatever work I like following the Assam politics has been of Himanta Biswa Sharma because the way he's taking care of the health and the education sector when he was the minister was very appreciable. Like with the present education scenario, we see that it's been lacking behind the state boards, not the CBSE, the state board. The way they are treating the teachers, where the students are being ill-treated with the metric grades or something like that. So yeah, he sounds good to me.